Hello students, today we are going to see Web Programming Lab Program 1. Design a web page using HTML5 which should include a brief description about yourself, a small code describing you, your photo as a profile picture using Canvas, an index which should be list of different headings and sessions present in a document in the form of link which when clicked take you to the heading or session. The different sections are your education details, hobbies, interest, small description about the particular hobby, your achievements, apply styles to the web page using CSS. So the first line of your code should be doc type HTML, which indicates the browser that it is an HTML5 document, followed by you have to open the HTML tag and then open the head tag. Inside the head tag, you have to open the title and you have to give the title to your web page as personal web page. Then you have to close the title tag. Then, as per the question, you have to apply the styles to the web page using CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So, below the head, within your head, we are going to define the style for the document. So, the style should be text/CSS, and then the body of the style should have the width of 800 pixels and table border style should be dotted and border color is red, and your unordered list type should be square, and heading 3 font style should be italic and color should be green. The image which you are going to include in the web page, it should be in the right side of your web page. So we have to give float : right, and then you have to close the style tag using \style, and then you have to close the head part. So we can give styles to the web document in either inside your head part or within the tag, which is called as inline tag. Okay, so inline CSS. So then you have to open the body and then you have to describe about yourself inside your paragraph tag. You have to include the image using image tag, and then you have to give the exact location of your image where it is saved, and the width size and the height size of your image also to be given. So next, a small code describing yourself should be given within your paragraph tag, open paragraph, and then give the small code about yourself, then close the paragraph tag. So as per the given question, you have to create a 3 link using hrefs tag, and that should be displayed within a list. That also it is an ordered list. So you have to open a ordered list OL tag, and within a list, you have to give 3 sections, nothing but education details, hobbies and achievements. Then finally, you have to close the OL tag. And then you have to open the article. So within the article, so you are going to describe the sections. So each section will be having a section ID, which is the ID name is EDU. So the heading also you have to give. So the heading is my education details, and as per the questions, education details should be displayed within the table. So table border should be defined as 1 point, and if you want to enter the details in a row, you have to open the row tag, HTML tag, STR tag, and you have to give the table heading as education, university, passing, year of passing, percentage. Within your TH tag, you have to open TH and then you have to close TH tag, which denotes it as table heading. Next, you have to close the first row. Then you have to enter in the second row. Then you have to again open the TR tag. Then give the table data. TD stands for table data, and you have to fill the data in the second row. Followed by, if you want to give again the row, you have to create again the row. Then you have to open TR tag and then give the details in the TD tag. Then close the TR tag. Similarly, you have to give for the another row. Next, finally, you have to close the table and close the first section. And the second section will be your hobbies. So the section ID is created for hobbies, that is HOB. And you have to give the heading as hobbies are. Then hobbies should be listed as unordered list. So if it is mentioned as unordered list, it will be displayed as in bulletin points or square brackets or in circles. Okay, so that should be given inside the list, unordered list. Right, so LI tag stands for list, open, coding, and then you have to list out your hobbies. Finally, you have to close the unordered list, and the particular section also need to be closed. Third section is your achievement. So here you have to again give the heading as achievements and ordered list and LI list. So ordered list means it will be this list will be displayed in numbers like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then you have to close the ordered list. Then finally you have to go close the particular section, and within this article only we are defining these 3 sections, and that articles also to be closed. And finally you have to close the body and HTML. So when you are executing this program, you will get the output like this. So 2 sentences describing about yourself and 3 sections links are here, which we are defined using KH reference tag, and it is listed out in ordered list. That is why it is coming as 1 dot, 2 dot, and 3 dot. And your education details are displayed as in a tabular column, whereas your this education, university, year of passing, and percentage or your table heading, whereas this details are given in a table data using table data tag. And finally, hobbies are listed in an unordered list, and achievements are listed using the ordered list, and your image profile picture is displayed here in the right hand side of your web page. Okay, so now I will tell you how to execute the program. So you have to type your program in Notepad and then save this program as .html, program1.html. So then you have to go to the location where you have saved the program. Okay, so here you can able to see program1, which is saved as .html. So when you save as .html, it will look like this. You can see here in the screen. Then when you double click on that, you can see the output of the first program. So this is your final output of the first program. So this is all about your program 1 in your web internet programming lab. Thank you.